guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JYOTHI here. Yes, another exciting and informative video I have brought for you all today. You guys read your thumbnail, right? I'm going to be sharing with you all how do you change the background of your videos. Something very important and much needed, right? So in my previous video, if you would have seen the places you need to explore while you're in Singapore, I have shared the background is displaying the places that you need to explore, and I'm giving you the description about them. So this creates the connection between the video and the viewer, and they'll watch your video till the end because it's very pleasant to watch and it's very informative with very good presentation. The background is matching with your content and everything is good, so definitely your viewers would stay till the end of the video and watch them. But what if your content is really good and your background is very distractive, it's not even going along with your content, then it might disturb the viewers. So they will definitely close your video and just go away. So make sure whenever you're presenting something, your background should be very pleasant and good enough. So yes, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how do we change the background of our videos. So stay with me till the end of the video because I'm going to be sharing with you all each and every detail that you need to know for changing the background of your video. Which application do I use? And what are the step-by-step processes that I use for editing. Every single thing I'm going to be sharing with you all today in this video. So yes, before I get into the content of the video or I actually take you through the application, I want to request you guys, if you're watching my video for the very first time and haven't still subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel. The button is just below the video down. Forget to click on the bell icon so that as soon as I upload a new video, it should reach you on time. And if you think I'm adding value to you all through this video, do not forget to hit our like button and do not forget to share this video to your friends and family members so that they can also come up with very good videos with a very good and pleasant background. So yes, let's go check out. I'll just meet you all after the video. I'll show you step-by-step process how do you do your editing, and I'll meet you in the end of the video. Guys, so I'm on the home screen of the application. The application that I use for editing my videos and adding and changing the background is Kine-master. So here you can see on the home page this Untitled 3, Untitled 2. So these are the projects that I'm working on, or the videos that I've already worked and downloaded. So you'll be able to see your downloaded videos also from here. So now if you want to create a new video, there is a plus icon. Just click on it and you will see which ratio you want. So I'm doing it for my YouTube channel, so I'll be choosing the 16:9 ratio. So this is something that pops up just after that. Now if you want to add the background to your video that you want to add, go to the media option here, go to the download. So there are few wallpapers that I have already downloaded and kept from Google Chrome. So you can also download it from your Google Chrome, whichever background that you wish to have. So here I'm just clicking on them, whichever I require. So once I have clicked, then click on OK button. So now the images that you have chosen is already here chosen, right? So if you want to extend your images as per the length of your video, you can just pull it this way. Just click on the image and just pull this yellow line. So this way you will be able to increase the length of your images as per your video requirement. Right? So now how do you add the video in front of these background? So now go to the layer option here. You have something called media. Click on it and go to the camera. So whatever video that you have captured, you can click on it. Select a particular video. Now you can zoom it as per your requirement this way. Zoom in and zoom out is possible. Or if you want to do any kind of cropping, then you can go to the crop option here. You can cut out as per your requirement. How much ever you want to cut out, you can cut out this way and click on OK. Right? Now again click on the video here. So now you see this Chrome key. So this is the Chrome key that is required for you to get fit into the background that you want to. So click on the Chrome key here, enable it. So now you can see your background is disappeared. So if at all you find something is visible, you can do the adjustment by pulling doing the setting option here, right? So once this is done, you can click on OK and you can zoom your video as per your requirement. You can place it towards your left, right, middle, wherever you want, top corner, anywhere you can pull it this way. So now you can see the video is playing, right? So you can see it's playing. So if you still find there is some green part, the your background is still visible, then what you can do is go to the video again, then go to the Chrome key and do your adjustment here. So now you can see it's disappeared, right? So this way you will be able to do your adjustment. And in the Chrome key you have something called detail curve. So if at all you find something still needs to be adjusted, then you can do it by using this, right? So yeah, this way you will be able to change the background of your videos. Now yes, so the video is fixed. So now what you need to do is you need to pull your wallpaper so that it comes and covers till your end of your video. And now if you want to add a new video, so suppose you are doing part by part and you want to add a video, you can come to the end of the video, click on the layer option, go to the media, go to the camera, so select whichever video you want to, and same way you can zoom it this way, you can zoom in, zoom out this way, and go to the Chrome key. Either you want to crop, you can do it, or you can just pull it, zoom in, zoom out by yourself, and enable the Chrome key here. So this way you can fix it, right? So if you still feel something has to be adjusted, go to the detail curve and you can do your adjustment this way, right? And if you want to make sure, so similarly you can see that your green screen is still visible over here. So go to the Chrome key and do your adjustment. Make sure that only you and the background is visible, not your green screen that you have captured behind from. So yes, this way you can do. And suppose if you want to your background is not up to the extent, so you want to pull it, then click on the background option here, go to the zoom option, and what you can do is you can zoom in and zoom out your background as well. So this way, and click on OK, right? And if at all you want to add filters, you want to darken your background, then you can use it by using your filter option. You can use it by adjusting the color, brightness, saturation, contrast, and everything. This way you can do it as well, and then click on OK. So this way you will be able to edit your background, adjust as per your requirement. And what other options that you will find in this particular app is, if you click on the layer option, you have something called effect. So if at all you want to add effect to your particular video, then you can you can blur them, or any other effects that you want to buy, you can go to get more and you can download it from here. So any effect that you want, you can download it from here. And what other options? So you have stickers. So suppose if you need any stickers, then yes, you can download it, you can place it however you would want to require, and you can place it this way. You can pull it by extending till which duration you want this particular sticker to be. This way you can do. And if you can also download by get more, and you can download what other frames, stickers, reactions, whatever you require, you can download it from here. And other options as text. So suppose if you want to add your name, so I'm adding my name here. So I'm adding my name here, so click on it. As per your requirement, you can increase the font, decrease the font. And if you want to add text option, so sideways, blur, all this you can do. And outline, if you want to increase the outline of it, if you want your name to be highlighted, you can do this way. And then you have called, and if you want to edit it, then you can click on the text and go to the keyboard option here. You can do editing here this way and click on OK. And you have other options such as shadow. So if you want some shadow to be there, like glow light and everything, you can add it here. And similarly you have other options. And if you want background to be there, so you can click on whichever background you want it to. Then yes, you can highlight the particular words by having background to it. So this way you will be able to highlight your words. You can similarly add whenever you want, whichever words you want. You want to add the captions, then definitely you can add it this way. And other option is handwriting. So suppose if you want to highlight something by marking this way, or a arrow or something this way, you can also do it. And you have an eraser option here where you can clear it off if you don't require, or you can click on it and click on the delete option. So this way also you can edit your videos. So yes, it'll get directly saved, you don't have to save anything. Then you can come back here, you can see this is the video that you have saved, right? So this way you'll be able to edit. So you can see your video is still extended but there is no background. Then what you can do is you can pull like this. So yes guys, so this way you will be able to edit your videos, edit your background, choose your background whichever you want. You can download any particular image from your background from the Google Chrome that you require, and you can add it this way. And there is record option. So suppose if you are having only the muted video and you want to add something by talking, here you can add that as well. Record option is here. You have audio option where you can take these songs or music from your gallery or download it, and you can make use of it. So guys, that was all for today. I just hope you guys got a clarity on how do you change the background of your videos and how do you edit your videos using your Kinemaster. So remember, the only thing that you need to have is your Kinemaster application with you, and do not forget to have this green screen behind you while you are doing your recording. So only when you have this green screen behind you, you will be able to change the background as per your requirement. So you can download any kind of images that you need from your Google Chrome that you want to have it as your background, and you can do the adjustment as I have shown you in the video already, right? So thank you so much for watching. If you think I added value to you all through this video, do not forget to hit on like button, do not forget to share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for the latest update on my videos. So yes, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. You can also make use of this video and come up with amazing videos.